Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to program a GMC Terrain key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, both existing and new ones, that you wish to program. Make sure your vehicle is equipped with keyless entry and that your new fobs are compatible. This particular method is for when you have at least one working, already programmed key for your vehicle. Let's get started with the simple steps. To begin, take one of your already programmed, working keys and insert it into the ignition. Turn this key to the on/RUN position, ensuring the engine does not start. Then, swiftly turn the key back to the OFF/lock position and remove it from the ignition. It is crucial to perform this entire sequence, including removing the key, within a quick 5-second time frame for the procedure to work properly. Now, with urgency, within 5 seconds of removing the first key, insert your new, unprogrammed key into the ignition. Turn this new key to the on/RUN position, again without starting the engine. You will observe the vehicle's security light on the dashboard turn off. This visual cue confirms that your new key fob has been successfully programmed and recognized by your GMC Terrain. It's a clear signal of success. Once the security light turns off, remove the newly programmed key from the ignition to finalize its programming. If you have more than one new key fob to program, simply repeat the entire sequence for each additional fob. After all your key fobs are programmed, take a moment to test each one. Confirm that all buttons, such as lock, unlock, and panic, function perfectly with your GMC Terrain. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.